So hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how can you create an AI UGC ad creative without using any expensive tool like VEO3, Kling or even Sora 2. So I have just found a new tool that does not have any attention, produced by China and 2 to 3 months ago. So let's go to the screen and I will also show a person doing this exact system with VO3 and spending a lot of money, but we are gonna do this we are gonna do this almost free with no cost, and you can do like 10 videos per day and make over $100,000 per month. But there is one downside of this, that it is only available in the top countries like USA, UK, Canada, and etc. So in my country it is also not available, but you can also do this externally. I am gonna pin the website link in the description, where you can also there are like multiple products linked, and you can just get your affiliate link and just add it to your bio in the TikTok bio. Okay, so let's go to the screen and I will just show you everything. So I am talking about this. This is a Instagram page which is like uploading 5 videos per day and making almost, so this is like I have just got it's like what you can say, creators information or like backend. uh, so this is Muhammad Camera. Shout out to this guy, and it tells us that this exact Lucky Deals is making like over $200,000 in sales, and have sold 9,530 products in the last 30 days, and average uh, what is this, average GPM, yeah, so average uh, pro average profit from one product is like $15. So you can like literally make like a lot of money by doing this. But obviously you should have a TikTok USA account or UK account. Yes, so this is like the this is like the TikTok account that I've been talking about. They did not have or they didn't even added a bio yet, and their like the logo is also an AI generated logo. Like, and I'm just gonna show you the the kind of videos they are uploading. So these are the videos. They are like not even talking in this video, and just like mass producing this video. Look, 3 hours ago, 17 hours ago, 19 hours ago, 20 hours ago, 22 hours ago. So this guy is just mass producing these videos, but it is doing them paid with VO3 or Kling. But I'm gonna show you how can you do this for free. So the tool we are using in this video is this tool which I just discovered. This is like the Tencent.com, which is like have not found it by anyone. Like there is like so less videos about this, so like you can't find this tool easily. So I will also give you the link of this tool in the description, and this is like completely free. You don't even have to pay a penny. So what you have to do is so actually this is in Chinese. So what you have to do, just right click and translate to English. Just press this button and everything will be translated to English. So then what you have to do, I am just gonna do it from start. Then you have to come into model access, and then in the visual generation, what we are doing, there is actually so many tools like free image generation, 3D generation, so image processing, video generation. So we are today we are going into video generation. There are also video processing, where you can dub the videos effect, so video super resolution, image retrieval. So today the tool we are using is this tool, digital human voice driven by Huan Video Avatar. This was updated like on 27th May, like 3 weeks ago. So these are the this is the like interface you should see. Now let's make an ad creative or like add image and this just create a video live. So first I'm just going to Google and just search for a model. So just do like the protein powder in today's one. So I am just gonna pick a model and just download that image model that I am using. Just I am just gonna download it right now. Okay, so now we are like finding a protein powder to say like you can obviously will go to the TikTok shop and sell the product within, or even if you are not in the country where the TikTok creative is adding. And then I will also give a website link in the description where you could like where there are multiple companies promoting their affiliate. So just copy the link of the product and just make ad creative and just earn. You could like make one video in like less than 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna pick one of the protein powder, just downloading it. Okay, so now go to ChatGPT. I am going into Gemini, Google Studio. Obviously Nano is like the best model, so I have just pasted these and just write a prompt. This is not even prompt. Oh my god, my grammar. So hey, I want to sell this product on TikTok affiliate and want to generate me that model holding that protein powder and sitting in the car from the front, just like recording a promo. Okay, so then it is like given me the image that we will eventually use to create. And here's a promotional image for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna download this. Tuck tuck, so it is downloaded. And now what I am gonna do is just obviously when you are like making this, you should like give it 2 to 3 tries, but for the context of this video I am not gonna do this. So now I am like asking it, okay, I am asking it to give me a script in only one paragraph that this model will speak. So now it is giving me this paragraph. So I will just copy this and just gonna go into love voice. Actually you could use the like, oh my god, yes, 11 labs, but this is like free and does not cost a penny. So for the context of this video I am just gonna use this and just paste it right here and just choose a voice.
Love voices.
Okay, this is looking good. And just generate. So
What's
actually,
up, fitness fam?
okay, so there is like obviously the VO3 generates only 8-second clips, so you have to generate 2 to 3, but this generates like 14 second. This generates up to 14 second of clip you can generate. So if you like make 2 videos of the same image and just give 2 scripts, so you can generate up to 30 second of video for completely free. This is not paid. And also there is API access, but I think that is paid. I have never tried this. So now I am just gonna download this. Okay, just download it. So actually there is one problem, but not a problem, just one default in this only supports the WAV audio files. This does not support the MP3. So I am just gonna go into this free MP3 to WAV converter and just convert more. And now it should convert. Yes, so now I am giving the file. Okay, just opening the file and just converting it. So it will just give us the file that we have converted. So now I am gonna download that file. Okay, so now only our main task is left. So in the attention you want, uh, uh, we have to upload our audio. So our my audio is like 23 second, but you have to like cut it to like first 14 seconds, then upload it, then make the video of that. Then after that video is generated, you have to generate another video. But if you like make the script a little shorter, about 14 seconds, you could do this. Okay, I'm just gonna open this, and also I'm gonna uploading the image that we just generated. So this is the image that it generated. So it is done. Obviously it is showing 23 second. Now you have to like just click generate now, and it will like generate the video. So it is like task processing, so it will take like 10 to 20 minutes. But most popular video is like gone to 2.3 millions views, and there is not one and one of their videos also have reached 10 million worth of views. So it is like so much views. So also in like this so they are like generating like thousands and thousands of dollars like just doing this. And one video, as you can see, I've just generated the whole process in front of you. It takes only like what it takes 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It does not take more than this. So our video is just processing, it's like 2% now, but it will take like 15 minutes and will generate the whole process. So yeah, so like just wait and see what it generates for us. So guys, here our video has been generated of like just 10 minutes. So let's watch this video and just see how it generates. Just me lower the volume because everyone is literally sleeping at this time. It is like literally almost 2 p.m. So this is a video that it generated. So let's see it.
What's up, fitness fam? Between workouts and life, staying fueled is key, and that's why I always have my combat protein powder with me. It's a delicious chocolate milk blend of 5 fast and slow digesting proteins, giving my muscles sustained recovery and keep.
So as you can see, like this video is like very good. It like fumbles a little, but if you like do it like 1 to 2 times, you can generate. And also don't like forget that this is like being generated for free. But I can say you I have like generated 2 to 3 videos. I'm just gonna show you. So I like generated this stickman clip, I think. Wait, let me see. So
My girl asked me, she was like,
so yes, so guys, this is also a video that I like generated like 1 to 2 days ago when I was like testing this tool. So I just give it like stickman picture that like generated with Gemini, and just uploaded like the uploaded the audio from a stand-up comedy clip. So like you can also see this
my
this
girl
like
asked me, she was like,
came out like pretty good. So I am just gonna upload it.